Tommy's Amazon Review. This double laundry hamper and sorter comes with removable mesh bags, a magnetic lid, built-in handles for easy carrying, and is collapsible whenever you need to take it somewhere new. Each side and bag fits quite a lot of clothes in them. It fits about a week's worth of clothing and underwear per bag. There are even labels to separate the clothes by darks and lights. It is quite easy to take down and collapse. Remove the bags. The inserts at the bottom, and then the middle. And it is ready to fold up and take away. Putting it back together is another story though. Every time I tried to reinsert the center, I had to fiddle with it more than I would have liked. In fact, the day I received it, the cloth protector for the center insert was ripped while putting it in, so now I have a permanent tear on it. Since it is inside, and this hamper remains closed at all times, it is out of sight and out of mind. This simple and effective design provides a quick and easy laundry solution for my room. I opted for the black hamper, but it also comes in linen cream and Oxford brown. Thanks for watching.